Next for the dodge mechanic is actually creating the action input for it. Just like we did before for the bow attack, we're going to go to Edit, Preferences, Input, then the action mapping, we're going to hit the plus button. On the keyboard, we're going to click and we're going to make it left shift. And we're going to call this just dodge. So we can dodge right and left. And so we're just going to implement dodge right first. And so off the input action dodge, we're going to set dodge right, just like the bow attack move. We're going to check that to activate it as true. We're going to get the delay next. And the delay we're going to use and how we're going to find it is under animation blueprint, and find the animation, and it'll say the sequence length. And we're going to switch it to the sequence length. And then to finish it off, we're going to set dodge right, not true after, and now it should work. When you hold down movement, it should work, and when you're idle, it shouldn't move. And the next thing we're going to add is the dodge left mechanism.